first true and false. It will be true, not false. All of you do that correction in your book. सब लोग वो correction कर लीजिए. Okay.
मैम कौन सा क्वेश्चन है?
Apart from that question,
कौन से क्वेश्चन में?
Question 200, page number 210. True and false. First one, it will be true. ये true होगा, false नहीं होगा.
Good morning,
in
ma'am.
this chapter, is it okay, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chapter you are having, do you have any problem? कोई दिक्कत है किसी भी question में?
No, ma'am.
Yesterday we
question-
completed the question answer.
मैम एक
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन में दिक्कत नहीं है मैम, पर अगर हमको मेरा नॉर्मल आई है और अगर हम चश्मा किसी का पहनते हैं तो उससे मेरा
हाँ।
आई को हार्म होगा?
Yes, होगा. बिकॉज आपका जो फोकस होगा ना वो चेंज हो जाएगा. आप उस समय देखोगे कि आपको हेडेक होने लगेगा. अगर ज्यादा देर तक
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
पावर अगर जिसका ज्यादा है, नॉमिनल पावर में कोई ज्यादा खास डिफरेंस नहीं होता, लेकिन अगर पावरफुल चश्मा पहन लोगे तो सबसे पहले तो आपको प्रॉपर्ली दिखेगा नहीं. आपका नॉर्मल है तो फोकस का पावर, तो आपको चश्मे से एबनॉर्मल दिखेगा जिसका ज्यादा पावर होता है, और वो आपको हेडेक that will create headache in due to that problem. So we shouldn't use other specs. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसलिए हम लोग दूसरे का पावर इसीलिए देखते हो कभी भी रीडिंग ग्लास में भी, जो रीडिंग ग्लास नॉर्मल होता है जिसमें नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं दिखता है, रीडिंग ग्लास इज नॉर्मल, इट इज सेड दैट इट इज नॉट वेरी हार्मफुल. तो आप किसी का भी यूज कर लो, बट यू विल नॉट फील कंफर्टेबल. आप कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं करोगे. उसका भी रीडिंग ग्लास होगा, हमारा भी होगा, तो वो प्रॉपर कर्वेचर पर ही होता है सबका फिक्स्ड पावर, कि आपके आई में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कितना पावर आपको चाहिए. जब आप डॉक्टर के यहाँ कभी विजिट किए होगे तो देखे होगे कि वो लोग चेकअप करने के पहले अल्फाबेट्स लिखते हैं ब्लैक बोर्ड पर, या उन लोग के पास एक बना रहता है पैटर्न.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
किस अल्फाबेट पर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मतलब किस साइज और किस डिस्टेंस पर प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. एंड दे प्रिस्क्राइब द पावर अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. So it is not healthy to take other suspects. Clear? So
Yes,
should we
ma'am.
come to the combustion chapter for revision?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आज हम लोग रिवाइज ही
Yes,
कर लेते हैं,
ma'am.
क्योंकि इधर तो आप लोग का हो ही गया है वो चैप्टर, उसको आप लोग कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. आज रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. कल आप लोग लिसन चिल्ड्रन, एक बात
मैम फ्लेम को मैम रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
कौन सा
फ्लेम.
हाँ कर देते हैं. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग फर्स्ट कि आप लोग जब क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में, उसको रीड करो प्रॉपर्ली, और जब भी आपको उसमें आप देखोगे 2 मार्क्स से ऊपर का क्वेश्चन है तो सब्सटेंस उसके हिसाब से दीजिए. लाइक व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन, दैट व्हाट वाज द प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड, एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड. तो आप केवल नाम लिख के छोड़ोगे तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. उसीलिए आपको वार्न कर रहे हैं बार बार कि जितना भी एक्सप्लेनेशन क्वेश्चन होगा 2 मार्क्स से ऊपर, तो आपको सफिशिएंट मैटर लिखना होगा आंसर में, देन ओनली यू विल गेट मार्क्स, अदरवाइज मार्क्स विल बी कट. क्लियर? ठीक है, हम आप लोग को फ्लेम बता देते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो समझ चुका है वही डिस्कस करो फ्लेम के बारे में. Who has understood it clearly? कोई एक बच्चा?
Flame can be defined as the reason over which the gas is burned.
And what are the different parts of flame?
It has 3 different parts, that is
Innermost
innermost
zone,
middle zone, outermost zone. It is also known as non-luminous zone.
Innermost zone, middle zone, or luminous zone, or the outermost zone, or non-luminous zone.
One of you, Nabia, you speak first. Nabia, आप बोलिए
Yeah,
पहले.
Yes, ma'am.
The different
Innermost
parts
zone,
of flame.
Innermost zone, middle zone or luminous zone, and third outermost zone or non-luminous zone.
And what are the different specialty or what is the characteristic of those flame parts of the flame? Innermost zone में क्या होता है?
Innermost zone consists of
Innermost zone consists of unburnt wax vapor.
Yes, unburned
Given
wax
by-
vapor. Then it is the
And it is the coldest part of the flame.
The coldest part of the flame.
So who had asked me? कौन पूछा था हमसे ये question explain करने के लिए?
Ma'am, Anurag.
Anurag. Anurag, please listen properly. First, we will say what is flame. Flame क्या है? So it is the reason over which gases burn. When it burns, when we burn a piece of paper or wax candle, then it produces flame. Then after that, we will say that there are three parts of the flame. Innermost part, middle part or luminous zone, and outermost zone or non-luminous zone. और सब का दो characteristic याद रखिए. First, the zone which consists of unburnt wax vapor is known is the speciality or characteristic of innermost zone, and it is the coldest part of the flame. Then middle zone or luminous zone, इसमें क्या होता है आप लोग बताओ?
In this
Partial
zone,
combustion of wax vapors takes place
Wax
with the liberation of lot of energy.
Partial combustion of wax.
And it is yellow in color.
carbon
It is
particles.
moderately
Zone
hot.
of flame is hotter than the dark
And
inner zone.
it is hotter than the dark inner zone.
Very good. पहले तो इसमें लिखेंगे partial combustion of wax vapor take place with liberation of the energy, lots of energy. Wax vapor decomposition of wax vapor into carbon particles takes place. Then it is yellow in color and it is hotter than the what? It is hotter than
the innermost zone of the flame.
Dark inner zone. Darkest inner
Then-
zone of the flame.
third क्या है? Third is outermost zone.
Outermost
Or non-luminous zone.
or non-luminous zone.
It is a
What
zone
is
of
the
It is a
uh,
zone
wax
where
and
it is a zone where
air from the
complete
side of the
combustion
flame
takes
converts,
and
carbon
the air
into
from the
carbon
side of the
particles and
flame
burns them
mixes
completely
with
to
the
form
unburnt
carbon dioxide
wax
and
and
carbon
form
dioxide gas and water vapor. It is the hottest part of the flame.
yes, first एक characteristic तो बहुत अच्छे से याद कर सकते हो कि it is hottest part and then it is a zone of complete combustion of wax vapor or and carbon particles. तो दो आप याद रखिए characteristic बस हो गया. और flame का diagram भी आता है. Sometimes the labeling also comes. So labeling has marks when you have to there is you can say diagram will come or incomplete diagram will be drawn on your question paper and you will have to label it. So labeling पर बहुत important और उसका हो सकता है एक characteristic भी पूछ ले या पूछे which is the hottest zone of the flame, which is the coldest zone, which contains unburnt wax vapors, which contains carbon particles. These all are the common question related to flame. Flame से related ये common questions. Okay, should I then come to the sequence of revision? पूरा शुरू से revise करें?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what is combustion? First tell me that.
the chemical
What
process
is combustion?
It is a chemical process in which a substance burns in
combustion.
presence of oxygen, the release of heat and light energy.
Tell the name.
Is
मैं
called
जिसका
combustion.
नाम बोलूंगी वही करेगा, वही आंसर करेगा. First, what is combustion? You answer, Ananya.
Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance burns in the presence of oxygen with the release of heat and light energy.
Okay. Then next is, what is ignition temperature? Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Utkarsh Singh.
Yes, ma'am. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called ignition temperature.
Okay, very good. Shashwat,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the ignition temperature of white phosphorus? Shashwat, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
45
Bolo.
degree.
What is the ignition temperature of this white phosphorus?
55 degrees Celsius.
Tell me. Okay, Aditya Raj, tell this answer.
Yes, ma'am, 35 degrees Celsius.
Or sometimes often rises above that also. Yes, correct answer. Which chemical is there present in the matchstick? Ved Prakash. Ved Prakash.
Chemical is present.
Can you hear me?
Phosphorus.
Red
Red
phosphorus.
phosphorus. Yes.
Red phosphorus.
Next question goes to Akshita. Why does the flame goes off when we blow over it? Why does the flame goes off?
Because the air current lowers the temperature of the wax vapors below its ignition point.
Or kuch? Anything else?
And the
One more
carbon
point.
dioxide
The carbon
acts as a fire extinguisher because it is not a
Yes,
combustion supporter.
Okay, correct. Next question, Adya. Adya, are you there? Aman Kumar, 80.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. Why does a paper cup catches fire more quickly than a paper cup containing water? Why does an empty paper cup catches fire more easily than compared to a paper cup containing water?
Ma'am, water is not contact
Bolo?
to fire.
Contact of fire is not the answer. Who will answer? Subh
Ma'am,
Narayan?
Subh Narayan. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Subh Narayan, answer it.
Ma'am, when water is poured into an empty cup and when the cup is heated, the heat gets conducted or supplied to the water. So it results in the higher ignition temperature of the water cup as compared to the lower ignition temperature of an empty cup. So the empty cup catches fire at a low temperature.
Okay. You can say in this way also, Shubh, that the empty cup reaches ignition. Directly you write the answer. The empty cup does not reaches the ignition temperature more quickly as compared to the cup containing water because the heat is transferred to in heating the water content in the cup containing water. Yes, whatever language you have used is also correct. ठीक है. So this type of question comes from your ignition temperature or kindling temperature topic. ये आपका 3-4 question आपके जो 4 points यहाँ mentioned है page number 123 से, that questions can be framed from those topic only. Okay, then next question. Then next we'll go to Ankit Kumar, 8F. Ankit, are you there? Anurag? Please
Yes, ma'am.
respond. Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are the conditions necessary for combustion?
There must be a combustible substance. There must be the continuous supply of oxygen or air. The temperature should be above the ignition temperature of the combustible material.
Yes. Yes, correct. Next question, Jagrit. Jagrit. Are you there, Jagrit Raj? Jagrit Raj, you are in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Atharv.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many types of combustion are there?
Ma'am, please repeat the
Be
question.
alert, all of you. How many types of combustion are there?
Ma'am, can I see?
कितने तरह का है combustion?
A slow combustion, fast combustion, a spontaneous combustion, explosive combustion.
Slow combustion के बाद क्या बोले तुम?
Fast combustion.
Fast नहीं बोलना है, rapid बोलना है.
Rapid combustion.
Okay,
Yes. Whatever word is used, you utilize that word only. Jagrit, you just answer. Jagrit, where are you? You are not responding.
Yes, I am here.
Please define slow combustion.
When a combustible material burns slowly is called a slow combustion.
Slow, complete it. Say loudly. Be confident.
When a combustible material burns slowly is called a slow combustion.
Yes. And what are its examples?
Cow dung wood.
Cow dung cakes. Cow dung cakes or wood. Then next, Kavish. Kavish, are you there? Kavish. Please respond quickly. Kavish is present in the class now?
No.
Then why are you not responding?
Yes, ma'am.
Define rapid combustion. Quickly, children. Next, Priyanshu. Priyanshu Ranjan. Priyanshu Ranjan 8F. Pratham. Pratham Srivastav. Why are you sitting idle and quietly over there? Rakesh.
Can I sit here?
What is your name?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Just I want that all of you should participate in the class. Pranshu is not responding. Pratham is not responding. Rakesh, are you there? Classes are going on for all the students, not only for few students.
Repeat. Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Yes. But define rapid combustion. Rapid combustion.
Excuse me, can I say Jagrit Raj?
Ma'am, can I say Ankit Anand?
Yes, ma'am. A combustible material that catches fire rapidly is called rapid combustion. Example.
Example?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I give an example. Paper.
Gaseous fuel.
Gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel. Then
Paper.
Spontaneous combustion. Who will answer?
Ma'am, Ankit Anand.
Ma'am.
Okay, Ankit. Ankit, please answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Spontaneous
When a combustible substance catch fire on its own, even at room temperature, are called spontaneous combustion.
Okay. Explosive combustion. Who will answer? Aryan? Aryan Kumar Aditya. Why 8F is sleeping or what? 8F students? Pranshu is not responding. Pratham is not responding. Who is there?
Ma'am, can I?
कौन बोलना चाह रहा है?
80.
हाँ बोलो.
Complete and uncontrolled combustion, which also produces a sound of explosion of a substance within a short span of time. It's known as explosive combustion.
Okay, very good. ठीक है. You can give the examples also. Supriya.
Examples: crackers.
Yes. Supriya.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How can we control fire in the ammunition depots? You all know ammunition depot. याद है पढ़ाए थे तो? What is ammunition depot? First you tell me that. Anybody? Ammunition depot क्या है ये बताइए.
Where the areas where there is a very high chance of catching fire.
Yes, ammunition depot is the risky area where there is high chance of catching fire.
ma'am.
और उसको हम लोग correlate कर सकते हैं with the this
petrol pump.
Petrol pump. So, yes. Then how can we
firecracker factories
control fire in these areas if it is on fire? Bolo, anybody?
By removing one of the essential conditions that are necessary for the combustion of a substance. Example, removing of combustible material, or by stopping the supply of oxygen, or
so what
lowering the ignition temperature
to control it? That
lowering
is
the ignition temperature.
Cutting of the electric supply.
इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई से वहां हुआ ही नहीं है. एम्यूनिशन डिपोट में इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई से फायर नहीं लगता है. एम्यूनिशन डिपोट में कंट्रोल कैसे किया जाता है ये बताइए. जब इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉर्ट सर्किट से लगेगा तब ना इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई कट करोगे. अगर एम्यूनिशन डिपोट पर लगा है किसी दूसरे कारण से तो कैसे होगा? हाउ विल यू कंट्रोल? यस आदित्य राज.
and by using carbon dioxide.
ठीक है. We can use this fire extinguisher. Then or
by lowering the ignition
temperature.
Listen children, ammunition depot is full of sand. ये हम आपको बताए थे जब एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे. तो कहीं भी आप पेट्रोल पंप्स की सराउंडिंग देखोगे बहुत सारा सैंड होता है. तो we should throw sand over there.
On fire.
Sand throwing से उसका on
electrical
fire.
fire.
और दूसरा है if a person is catching fire over there, then we will wrap it by the blanket. So that was my question.
Big blanket.
How will you, which step will you take? Wrap it. You are telling the principle that we should cut the supply of oxygen. That is correct. लेकिन अगर सप्लाई कैसे कट करना है वो भी तो जानना जरूरी है. How will you cut the
yes,
supply?
ma'am.
Clear? शॉर्ट सर्किट से होगा तो क्या करना है?
मैम पावर सप्लाई कट कर देंगे.
Yes, we should cut the power supply और फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वहां ज्यादा काम करेगा क्योंकि हम लोग को वहां वाटर कंटेंट नहीं ले जाना.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, after that, what happens when there is incomplete combustion? Incomplete combustion होगा तो क्या होगा?
A part of the unburned
carbon waste the fuel, but also pollutes the carbon monoxide is formed. This gas is highly poisonous and causes respiratory problems. It may also prove fatal.
Yes. Then we have discussed about this flame. Flame के बारे में तो हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then come
Yes,
to
ma'am.
this topic. Calorific value. Define calorific value of a fuel.
The amount of heat energy produced on burning 1 kilogram of a fuel in a ton
Kilogram
of
of fuel
oxygen
is
is
called the calorific value.
calorific value of a fuel.
Amount of heat energy produced on completely burning 1 kilogram of a fuel in pure oxygen is called the calorific value of a fuel, and it is expressed in kilojoule per kg.
Per kg.
Then one very common question in this chapter, what is the characteristic of a good fuel? Good fuel का क्या-क्या characteristic है?
It should be cheap, readily available, and
have a high
transport,
produce any
easy
harmful
to
gases.
Easy to store.
and it
It
should
doesn't
have a high
produce harmful
calorific
gases.
value
It should have high calorific
produce
value.
harmful gases after burning.
It should have a low ignition
Undergo
temperature.
complete and controllable
It
control.
should undergo complete and control.
ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है और ये हमेशा आता है, चाहे तो 3 मार्क्स में आएगा और it can come in 4 or 5 marks. So 5 points all of you keep in mind. Cheap, readily available, and easy to transport, then easy to store, high calorific value, does not produce any gas when burning, and have low ignition temperature. Then why are gaseous fuel considered to be a good fuel?
Because they can be supplied in cylinder or through pipeline, hence their transportation cost gets lowered. And
It is less
gaseous fuel
complete
release a
combustion.
large amount
produces less air
do
pollutant.
not leave any ash or solid residue.
Gaseous fuels produce least amount of harmful gases as compared to solid and liquid fuels. Gaseous fuels can be easily ignited even with a small spark.
Yes. Gaseous fuel can be ignited even with a small spark. Gaseous fuel produce least amount of harmful gases. Gaseous fuel release large amount of energy, and gaseous fuel are supplied in cylinders or through pipelines. Okay. Then what is AC drain? Bolo.
The dissolving of sulfuric acid in water
Dissolving.
vapor. And
Dissolving
when
of sulfuric
released-
the dissolving of sulfuric acid
Dissolves in
can
water
damage binding
With
products
raining,
such
with
that
raining
is
water
called
forms the
acid
acid
rain.
rain.
Such rain is
It
The
has
sulfur gas released from this burning of coal and diesel turn into sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid when it is dissolved with water vapor, and they fall down on the surface of the earth as acid rain, damaging the monuments made up of marble. मार्बल से बना हुआ मॉन्यूमेंट को कोरोड कर देता है, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Which fuel is eco-friendly fuel?
CNG.
CNG.
All the natural gases. All the natural gases.
Okay. Why do we say that burning of fuel can cause health hazards?
Because their incomplete combustion releases many harmful gases, which when breathed can cause breathing problems or respiratory.
Yes, you mentioned the name of the gases also, like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, which is very, very dangerous, and it can prove fatal also. Fatal means to lead to death. So almost all the important questions we have discussed. The thing is that you will answer it very sincerely tomorrow by reading. Take time. You should not be in a hurry. And all of you will give the exam. Very few copies we receive in the exam. What is the matter? Why you are not appearing in the exam? Exam में appear क्यों नहीं होता? You are not interested in taking your attendance. तो लास्ट में अटेंडेंस शॉर्ट होगा, then you will have to work for that. ठीक है? Those who are not coming and I'm just seeing that in the class also the attendance is falling down. All of you should attend classes and you all tell your parents that the classes are not going on when we talk to them. Children, all of you be attentive and attend your classes regularly and your exam also. Take the exam, online test. That makes your revision of the chapter. आप उस chapter के लिए prepared हो जाते हो. ठीक है? Now children, do you want to ask anything? कुछ और पूछना है इस chapter में? Anybody? These are the main questions which you have to learn. Definition तो सारा learn कर लोगे. Combustible material, combustible substance, ignition, temperature, slow combustion, rapid, fast, spontaneous, explosive, flame, then calorific value of a fuel and AC drain. These are the definition question. ये आपको learn कर लेना है पूरे अच्छे से. And all the questions are easy in this chapter. It is not very hard. Anything more to discuss, children?
No, ma'am.
और कुछ आपको पूछना है? Please
No,
respond.
No, ma'am.
Inflammable substance समझते हो? What are inflammable substance?
Yes, ma'am.
The substance which have low
The
ignition temperature
substance
and
which
catches
has
fire
very
easily with a
low
flame is called
ignition
inflammable
temperature
substance.
and catches fire easily are known as inflammable substance.
In the fire extinguisher, what are the chemicals used?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate
Sodium
and sulfuric acid.
ठीक है. This question number is B6. Why is water not used in controlling electrical fire? ये बताओ.
If
water
fire
is not
caused by
used.
electric, then
Water
it
is
should not
not.
be.
Is not used in
Water is not
if the
used in
fire is
controlling
caused by
electrical
electronic
fires
device,
because
it
water,
is
being a
not by
good conductor
powering
of
water
electricity,
because
can
the electronic
cause
current will
electric
be
shocks.
followed.
carbon dioxide
It is an
is
electrical
because
shock which may
thereby giving a serve electric shock may prove fatal. In such cases, supply of electric current should be switched off and fire brigade should be called immediately.
Okay, ठीक है. So, okay, children. Thank you. Then, good luck for your next day exam.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
क्लास में लास्ट का 4 मिनट ऐसे ही रहता है रिकॉर्डिंग में।